Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing new AI feature inside Google Sheets called Ask Gemini. It's like having an AI assistant right inside your spreadsheet. So, let's see how it works and what all these options can do. Ask Gemini is Google's new AI integration that helps you analyze, visualize, and even generate content directly in Google Sheets. Instead of manually writing formulas or analyzing data, you can simply ask Gemini in natural language, and it'll do the heavy lifting for you. To use it, just open your spreadsheet, then click on the Ask Gemini option from the toolbar or right-click menu. A menu will pop up with different AI actions you can perform. Let's go through these options one by one. Analyze data. Gemini scans your selected data and gives instant insights, like trends, summaries, or performance stats. Generate charts. Automatically creates a chart from your data, line, bar, pie, whatever fits best. Generate a pivot table, great for summarizing large data sets. Generate a table. Organizes your messy data into a clean table format. Generate an image. Yup, Sheets can now generate AI images. Generate a formula. One of my favorites. You can simply type what you want, and Gemini writes the formula for you. Summarize text. Condenses long text or comments into short, clear summaries. Perfect for feedback analysis. Categorize text. Automatically groups text into categories like positive, negative, or neutral. Analyze sentiment of text. Finds the emotional tone. Super useful for analyzing reviews or survey responses. Generate text. This lets Gemini write for you, like generating descriptions, notes, or short reports. Ask something else. If none of these fit, just type your own prompt, and Gemini will figure it out for you. A few quick tips. Some options like generate charts or summarize text will only activate if your selected data fits that type. And right now, this feature is still rolling out, so if you don't see it yet, keep your Google Workspace updated. So that's how you can use Ask Gemini in Google Sheets, your built-in AI helper to save time, analyze data, and create smarter spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full tutorial on Gemini inside Docs or Slides next.